Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create this photo transformation to become this one. And for this photo transformation, we can call it as the double exposure. How to create this photo transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Nano banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. And after that, you can start to click try Nano banana and click plus down here and upload the picture into your device. And after that, I will start to put the prompt into this section. And also make sure that the prompt gonna be following the result like this, guys. So transform this image into the striking double exposure composite, and also overlay a profile portrait of a person looking thoughtfully to the right in the viewer's side, and also with a dramatic coastal landscape, and also the silhouette of a person's head and shoulders should contains the element of the rugged textured rock formation and also powerful ocean waves crashing against them. And also for the background over here, behind the person silhouette should feature a calm deep blue sea extending to the horizon under a soft, slightly overcast sky. And also overall color palette should be muted blues, grays, and also earthy browns, and also creating a cohesive and contemplative mood. And also the blend should be seamless, and also making a natural elements appear as if they are forming the contours and also features of the person's profile. And also it will emphasizing the deep connection between human and nature. So you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before to create this photo transformation, guys. However, you can still have the possibility to have the a little bit different look, but still in this double exposure theme. So this will be the another result. And after that, you can start to download it. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.